All, this is Vinayan Subramanian here. Today I'm here to give a brief about Atomy Corporation. Atomy is a worldwide online shopping mall, and you can avail. This is an application, mobile application. You can download it from mobile Play Store or Apple Store. Then you can avail all the great quality products, world class products, absolute quality products. You can avail skincare, personal care, kitchen care, home care, cosmetics, food supplements, wellness products, and medi-cook, cookware, and fashion. All these products, okay, absolute quality products, and research and development done by KAIRI, Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. It's a South Korean government organization established in 1959, 61 years completed. And this formula has given to Colmar, another great organization, institution, a contract manufacturer called Colmar BNH. There, this will be produced. It is established in 1921, has a more than 100 years old company, and these products through Atomy Marketing Hub will be distributed across the globe wherever Atomy's presence is there. And here, what is the difference is Atomy's philosophy itself is consumer centered rather member centered. What does that mean? Here there is no targets, monthly targets. What we have experienced in all the other multi-level marketing, direct selling, franchisee marketing companies. Here, whatever you require, our founder chairman, Dr. Hangil Park, always says, if you watch his uh, videos, it is always he says, be your first and best customer. You sell it to yourself. That means it is very easy. You purchase the product from the mobile application, whatever it is required, you like the product, you use it, and if it gives you some results, okay, some value for the product, and it give you some benefit, then only you recommend to your dear and near ones, your non people, your family, your colleagues, your friends and their friends. Like that, you ask them to download the application, get it registered, and ask them to use the product. Then you are eligible to get very exciting income, world class income. How is that possible? Each and every product what you purchase, it is you will have a PV, point value basis. So these PV will be accumulated. Your personal PV also will be accumulated. There is no demotion. It will not flush out, wash out, nothing. It will be permanent. According to 5 ranks, that is according to your personal purchase, your income also can increase from 1400 to up to 80,000 rupees. Here, this is daily closing and weekly paid, and the same PV will be also once again calculated monthly twice, that is 2 cycles, every 1 to 15 days, then 16 to end of the month. This is known as mastership bonus. This is calculated the 20% across the globe sales turnover, and who will be distributed equally among the achievers in 7 ranks. And this will be 1.5 lakhs to 1 crore plus. And after that, so many other benefits are there, rewards, so laptop, and you will get a 3 luxurious car, and cash reward up to 9 crores, and foreign trips, and sponsorship uh, expenditure as cash, 6 lakhs cash. And I tell you again, products researched and developed by KAIRI, Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, produced by Colmar, another great organization which is producing for the Fortune 500 companies, more than 300 plus companies, including traditional companies like Johnson and Johnson, L'Oreal, Pond's, and multi-level marketing companies like Amway, Herbalife, Oriflame, For Life. It's wonderful. because all these two great institutions have combined together has 442 patents and 20,000 formulas. 4,000 scientists, including 1,500 PhD holders, are working across the globe in their 14 factories and 11 laboratories. So, welcome to Atomy India. It's going to launch in November. So, take a great decision. Join with Atomy. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. God bless.